Hi, I'm Ali. Welcome to my calculus class. In a short video, I want to teach you how to evaluate limits by factoring. So, let's go to the lesson. Evaluate the limit of x squared minus 25 on top and x squared minus 4x minus 5 on the bottom. What should I do? Step 1, to solve any kind of limits is to use direct substitution. So replace x's on top and x's on the bottom with 5. If I do that, on top I have 25 minus 25, which is 0, and on the bottom 5 squared is 25 minus 20 minus 5, which gives me 0. Now I have 0 over 0, which is indeterminate, and that means using direct substitution does not work here. So tell me, what is the other strategy to drive me to the answer? One of the best strategies to solve 0 over 0 limits is using factoring. You can factor top and bottom of the fraction to find the terms that make trouble, and then simplify top and bottom of the fraction by the terms that make trouble. On top, it is the difference of a square. Did you recognize the difference of a square? On top, x squared minus 25 can be factored into x minus 5 times x plus 5. Am I right? Very good. On the bottom, I want to factor a trinomial. How? Open two parentheses. I teach you in algebra. Write x in each of them. Now find two numbers that the product of them is minus 5 and the sum of them is minus 4. The answer is 5 and 1. 5 is negative because the sum of them wants to be minus 4, and 1 is positive as x approaches to 5. X minus 5 on top, x minus 5 on the bottom cancel each other. What is left? On top, I have x plus 5, and on the bottom, x plus 1 as x approaches 5. Now, I can use direct substitution. Replace x on top with 5 gives me 10. Replace x on the bottom with 5 gives me 6. I can reuse the fraction by dividing top and bottom of the fraction by 2, which gives me 5 over 3. Did you get it? Is it easy? Very good. Tell me about this one. X squared minus top on x squared minus 1 on top, x squared minus x on the bottom as x approaches 1. Step 1, use direct substitution. Replace x with 1 gives me 0 over 0, which is indeterminate, so I can use factoring. Factor top and bottom of the fraction. X squared minus 1, the difference of a square is x minus 1 times x plus 1. On the bottom, I can factor out x, which inside the parentheses, x minus 1 is left. Now, x approaches 1, very good. X minus 1 on top with x minus 1 on the bottom, cancel each other. I can use direct substitution again. If I replace x with 1 on top, I have 2, and on the bottom, I have 1. So the answer is 2. Really simple. Like always, it's your turn to test yourself. Evaluate this limit as x approaches 1. Feel free to send your answers to me through comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.